outside the BJP headquarters in the national capital. Isha, over to you. Bring us up to speed with what you're seeing around and what is it that these, enthusiastic and happy Karyakartas of the BJP have to say on this day?
Hina, outside the BJP headquarters is an entirely jubilant place. In fact, you can see here supporters in thousands have started to gather here, and this is a sea of saffron that is emerging right outside the BJP headquarters, waiting to welcome Prime Minister Modi. Requesting my camera person Yogesh to also show around the visuals, the number of people who are queuing up to welcome the Prime Minister and other leaders, other top leaders of the BJP. In fact, people are also expressing their excitement in rather creative ways. Hina, you can see this is a mithai, this is a laddu which has been made, but this has Modi ji written on it. We'll also now speak to these supporters who have gathered here. कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे? बीजेपी ने दिल्ली में बहुत बड़ी जीत हासिल करी है।
बहुत खुश है। मैं लता आहिर लॉस एंजल्स से आई हूँ और हमें बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि 27 इयर्स के बाद बीजेपी ने फिर से कमबैक किया है और प्रचंड जीत हासिल करी है।
आप क्या कहेंगे? ये मिठाई कहाँ से लाए, पहले ये बताइए।
ये मिठाई हमारी पुरानी दिल्ली की मिठाई है और 11 किलो का ये मोतीचूर का लड्डू है और ये मोदी जी की प्रचंड जीत पे ट्रेमेंडस विक्ट्री एंड द हार्डशिप्स ऑफ द लेग्स ऑफ वर्कर्स हु हैव परफॉर्म्ड। आज वो दिन है जब हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, तो ये लड्डू आप मोदी जी को दिखाएंगे?
बिल्कुल दिखाएंगे। और
so Hina, you see the number of people here and the excitement. Yes, please बताइए ये क्या है?
ये राजतिलक मंगवाया है, केसर मंगवाया राजतिलक के लिए श्रीनगर से स्पेशल। ये गंगा जल है महाकुंभ का, ये राजतिलक होगा मोदी जी का, इसीलिए दिल्ली जीती।
So Hina, you see very passionate BJP supporters who have gathered here. In fact, one of them is also carrying Ganga Jal from Mahakumbh and saffron, specially from Kashmir. You can see here several of them are coming up with jalebis as well, which is an important thing when it comes to politics. It's become rather symbolic because Congress had a jalebi moment previously, but BJP.
Well, absolutely. But what stole the limelight was that 11 kg motichur laddu that one of the supporters has got for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to congratulate him for this big victory in the national capital. Thank you for now, Isha as well as Mohit, for joining us. We're just slipping into another very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. There is a festive atmosphere, viewers, that we are seeing in BJP headquarters. We'll keep you ahead on that story. Don't go anywhere.